timeless, with technology that is not just intuitive, but second nature. The centerpiece is a concept called Tazuna, the Japanese term for using reins to control the movement of a horse. Every element you interact with has been designed and positioned to better serve the needs of the driver. As a result, you can maintain sharp focus on driving while controlling other features of the vehicle. Improved aerodynamic performance and drive force control contribute to more linear response and a greater sense of confidence when accelerating and cornering. A choice of powertrains as well as front wheel and all-wheel drive options also keep driver and vehicle in perfect sync.
To impress both driver and passenger alike. From its driver-focused interior layout to the dash-integrated design of its touchscreen multimedia system. With its great convenience features, including a standard power driver seat, in-dash storage areas, and rear seat reminder. There's also available rain-sensing wipers.
Standard heated front seats, available ventilated front seats, and heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. And to enhance the cabin's ambiance, a fixed panoramic glass roof which allows you to frost the glass at the touch of a button, helping to reduce glare and UV exposure.